everybody, my name is Kimrose. Today's lesson is on the active voice and the passive voice. To explain the difference and why do we use the active or passive, here is an explanation. Passive voice hi ipiham. Passive voice ahung kitiyahile opposite of active voice. Na opposite. And then here passive voice to itabangham itiyahile. Passive voice to object plus be plus past participle plus by plus subject. Aletua hi active voice hi ipichu object ham, ipichu verb ham, ipichu subject ham ti ihet thein dingovin example and a view hite. Hitlaya hi active voice. The cat killed the mouse. The cat killed the mouse. The cat hi ipiham. Ipi position na umam itiyahile hi subject. Ipidia subject because he's the one doing the action. Action to itabang action ham killed. Kill action. Na amahin itihi jutahi athati. Okay? And then kill he action hiziatu it's verb. Verb to ibiham dile actions of the subject. And then here mouse. This mouse received the action. Okay? It is attitude object. Okay, subject, verb, object. And then here, he active voice he, passive voice na hinhel nga hile, object sila nga hong di subject lang nga hong ding, subject he sila nga hong ding. Okay, object will come in subject place. Okay, and then subject will take the object place. But we have some rules. The rules of passive voice suka sa iba nga to object o masaditi na to na. Sila hihoy laha object to who received the action? The mouse. The mouse received the action of the subject. Siya to chi object here. Sila nga hong dita to. The mouse. Okay? And then sila object hong umta. And then be. Be ahong kitiyahile ibiham be to sila present tense be a content he present tense ahiyahile then is am are namanding and then past tense ahiyahile was were namanding and perfect tense akitiyahile been perfect tense ahong kitiyahile past perfect tense present perfect tense future perfect tense ahong higit na hile. It was also perfect ahong kitiyahile. Things which is done complete. Na completed. Til ki bol chai ho. I have finished my study. Na and then finished till akichai sa ho. Til I bola hile akichai ho chu perfect tense kiti. Being atiyahile ing okay. Ita chuntun anavyo hite. Then tila biyahi the cat killed the mouse. Kill he, K-I-L-L-E-D, kill he, past tense. Nale? Past tense ita. So past tense. Ele, chahe hoi chi mandiu tam. Past tense hiya was. Kimang tacho. Okay, chi past tense was. Chiachu, the mouse was, iti be iti pao. Okay, be. Okay. And then next achu past participle past participle hiya hile third form na third form of the verb which means killed killed third participles v3 na killed killed by the cat that is by hita na past participle hiya hile killed ed by, okay, then subject. Sila subject to piham, the cat. Okay, that's all. The cat killed. The mouse was killed by the cat. Ahile, tu ahi sila hinvikit tau hite. Ipihi pas be he ipiham di het tau. Chunale be to sentence nan vat diu da. It's a sentence to present hiya hile present tense hiya hile is am are nazadiu past hiya hile was or were nazadiu and perfect tense hiya hile been perfect ho chu phiam tia hile finished ed killed ed complete co completed ti ho na so to ed down ho chu perfect tense here and then continuous akitia hile ing down ho zo si to being na za dio continuous okay ele tu ahin thi veute past participle ho chu ipi hamit ya hile chilaya hi eat at eaten it's a third pahin la ditina play played played it's a third pahi kiladi okay he thi mujuna he chi tu tun he chin the win and the hit taw hitale so everybody loves chocolate so he present simple tense na chocolate hoi chi hale chocolate hoi chi he subject hale everybody and then object la hoi chi chocolate nale then object will take subject place kati nale then chocolate let's see with the present simple tense hi ja chu loves love so present simple tense ja chu present simple tense hi hile silai pi se ya be a chu is ila diu chu is nale and then chu zo phale be hela chu is ila diu plus past participle kitia hile what is past participle of love love loved 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 nale chi unki hial da so third pa kila zi okay third ti chu silaya eat at eaten hi chi third pa kila zi ti chu past participle kiti chu v3 zong kiti ve ta chi v1 v2 v3 v3 ho si hi kila zi hi chi lai past participle ho hi by heart ngai chu abona word ho ta chu a third pa v3 pa kilazi chilayong eaten kilading played kilading I loved ed pa kiladi okay and by subject everyone everybody okay it is that and then now second him the lifeguard saved a man okay oi chi hale subject hi chi hui kita active voice and then object to chi hita passive voice hi ipi umzia mitia hile past participle to by umpo puwa hile chu passive voice hi ti na hi active voice hi by kiti ho ngai lo then tilai hi ko hoi chita object will take the subject place a man okay then saved 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 past tense and present tense past okay past tense it is chu past tense chu ipila diuta cha past hi was ila diuta ipiding where ila thelo ham because it's not plural singular okay man he plural hilo ja chu was ila diuta okay then a man was saved third participle nale past participle and by the lifeguard that means subject become in object's place okay now decorators are painting my house decorators are painting my house okay here in this sentence where is the subject here decorators as if the decorator is the one who is doing things right and then object to ipiham who is receiving the accent house this is object okay and then now head you that ing decorators are painting my house ing ho chu pikatia injawa continuous tense nale continuous tense ing zo si chu continuous tense kitia maybe past continuous present continuous okay future azong continuous hi ing thau it's like he painting ing hin it's he present continuous tense hi ti ki and then now we'll see my house nale is being ibiding is kizangham itia hile decorators are painting my house this is singular okay is being painted painting ing changed into painted that is inzo ka say v3 athum na pa ki lazi chu okay painting painted nale by decorators okay and then here she is finished the report she has finished the report which means that this is present perfect tense perfect tense akiti ahile kasay banga chu na khat itu ahile akichai bol chai finish ati chu ed na kichai pan cho chu perfect tense kiti chu she has finished the report ati ahile chi present perfect tense how do you know that this is present perfect tense because of has nale then tu chun chi hi active voice si passive in hin khialu le the report this one the report has been finished by her okay has been is being being when it is ing continuous tense hi phale and then ed hi phiam tia hile perfect tense din hi ya chu has been perfect tense to passive voice ana hin khel di phale has been na ale past perfect tense ana khel di phale had been hu hi di chu has he present say na here he finished hin perfect tense past perfect tense hu hi ale had finished hu hi di chu na that has hin present say na here finish in perfect tense then perfect tense formula chi pham tia hile been perfect tense that's been finished by her nale and then tun chilai hi anavyo hite chilai hi first second third form of verb mean chi hi first singular plural second form of verb singular plural and then first form of the verb to I nale and then chi hi plural of verbs plural to we and then pronoun atu ipiti I hin heldi ham tahile me we pronoun an helding hale us second person atu both singular and plural to you okay third atu singular and plural atu it he she jong naman the okay and then to ki bang vi wedding plural ahung hia hile they to them man heldi for examples like did they fix the car na question number 2 did they fix the car atia hile did to ipia ke mange katia was the car fixed by them at is them nale them to they ahi ki hel he they to them nale they to them ahi hel okay we are learning english ing kita to continuous tense na present continuous and ing to being mandi kati jo ele learned ahung hi ai le pi katia been and been mandi nale perfect tense to hi ing hi ja to being mandi is hi pi dia ki mangham ya hi le then this is singular okay then hijab is ainum penu chu we are learning english atia hele english is being learned by us jaga say banga chu we to pranana in hela hil us we change into us okay tun abana na view hite abana na pan payo hitin active voice to passive voice active voice ahi masapen ahi active voice hi sentence na vat masapen diu it's a sentence to simple present hum simple past future tense present continuous past continuous hum di vat masapen ding it's a sentence to active epitense hum ti to he chai phat le then ani na to passive voice a to epp hel de hum singular hum plural hum ti ho vat kit de na hiti to in het thim diu hintin active voice a simple present ahu ya hile passive voice ana helding ahile is am are hinamandi example in she writes a letter hiti hi simple present tense hina that to hiti simple present tense to active voice ana hin helding ahile is, am or are na za the. Am hi ti phat na za de ham tia hi question na to I azao khal am ki za hai. Oh to a cho hi le chi hi singular hi. Singular hi za to is na mandi. Ipiza singular ham tia she. She writes a letter. Singular hi za to you have to use is. That to a letter is written by her. Kasi mga writes he third participle hungkila din na. Write, wrote, written. Nale atum na pala di amasay sa itabang wacho. Chichu hung hintin abana simple past ho to vikitaw hitile. Simple past. They enjoyed the class. Tihi simple past tense. Past hi to biham tila ed. Nale Tachu nahin hialdi nga hile simple past tense. Hiti active voice sentence hi simple past tense hi ja. Ato passive voice ha nahin hialdi nga ipi naman the ham was song naman the were song naman the. Hi wanga was hi na sentence to singular singular hi ahile was naman the where hi ahile then present where hi ahile plural naman de. Okay. Tua hi hiti pa hi silai ka hi hoit and vevo he subject, okay, and then verb object. So nale hiti object he subject nga hi hung di ka tisu the class nale the class pa chu singular hi ja chu is imandiu silai pa hi chi they hi plural chu na ahi wanga chi pa hi the class hi subject nga hung in pha na chu is aman te ka bangin classes kiti ahle the classes were itidiocha okay the classes were the classes to plural and hi khale chilanga subject hung hi phale where hi mandio okay to achu class to singular hi ja achu is pa imano okay third participle to enjoyed mama hi ja enjoy by them okay tuna bana hin anavikino hitele future tense active voice ahong hiya hile will shall plus be imandiu okay question ahi he will deliver the speech is he future tense it's a sentence he future tense ipiti future ham ipiza future ham will nale will to future akimangito siya chu hin hiya taw tale passive voice the speech object comes in the subject. Then will na abana ipita be delivered third participle na lading deliver he delivered third participle athum na pagati na lechi and then by him will be delivered by him will plus be okay and then silangahin hungkit na tele she is reading the book ay let's lang rules valowin hinsay tawole she is reading the book iti is hin pcm ta hile present say na hekati na ay ing apana hile continuous tense din ito hi hile iti sentence hi ipi hung hidetam ta hile present continuous tense okay present continuous tense hi active voice ahi ahile passive voice na hin hialding ahile ipp ngayam tia ahile the book same the book object will become subject is being read he third participle at read by her nale amasa atu ing agitaizo si being hiding abale idia kitaizo si to finish complete the idia kitaizo si to being it nale titue tun they were discussing the issue they were discussing the issue hiti sentence piham masapena he iti he ipisay na pass kimang na were discussing hila ing continuous that means it's a sentence he past continuous tense ay hiti past continuous tense sentence he passive voice ana hin hilding ahile the issue was being discussed by them Nale, ipizia tilaya where he tilaya was hikitale. Because it's he tilanga ahu panpana to issue he singular. Singular he is atu to he was kima. Issues, ISSUES, issues ahong kitiahile. The issues were itidiut na. To the issue tiahile ti singular he's atu. We are using was. Okay? And then ing he's atu being. Continuous he's atu being. And third participle ed kihama by them. Okay? And then we'll come to last. She has finished the report. She has finished. It is she has finished to ipiham dahile to he present. Present nale. Present. And then tila perfect. Perfect at dahile kasi banga to past, present, future, perfect na perfect tense. Finish na to kizaw panpan ho. Na to kizaw hos kisay na hos isi to perfect. Ahieti to ihemin law diwe. She has finished the report. Then, the report has been finished by her. Ipizia been ham tilahi. Why? B-E-I-N-Z. Ipidinga hiloham. Because this is present perfect tense. Okay? Now we'll continue next. In adding in interrogative, active, and passive voice. Interrogative at yahile question do di. Question ake do ahile passive voice on question mama atsai de tine he. Tia tu hitilai box he question interrogative, active voice to passive voice adinga rules ahi. Active voice to does, do, ho, mahile. Then passive voice is, am, are, did. Active voice hile was, where, has, have. Active hile passive has, have. Iti whole rules na hoy na nakibat tawil lang. To in ihetsin na ding ovin itabanga tibok si kimang taham dito na vikit tawid. Do they clean the room? Do they clean the room? Question mark nga kitay nale. That's a passive voice na hinhil di nga hili. Question mama ana tsay ngay. It's a question mama ana tsay na di nga to do they clean the room at yahile. Due to iti atila is. Is the room cleaned by them? Question mark. Did he write the letter? Was the letter written by him? Did to was. Na. Where. Okay. Have they solved the problem? Have na to have to has khat pen pen here panahile passive voice anin here dingan has to have na zadinle to chip active voice have apan to have they solved the problem? Passive voice to has the problem been solved by them? Na hiti to he been to ipizia to he present perfect tense. Okay? Ay letun, can she finish the work? Nale, can she finish the work? Can the work be finished by her? Iti ho sisi. Question marks active voice question marks akitaile, passive on question akitaiding. Then interrogative rules tungzuyatu, we have to follow this box. And now we'll come to the next rule. If the meaning is clear without agent, the use of agents should be avoided. Hiti hi kuna haza amitiyahile newspaper reporter hoin. Hiti rules hi ahaza ay. Na newspaper reporter hon hiti tabang passive voice. Hiti rules hi passive voice ay ahaza. Iti za uham tiyahile a ball pen pa the doer na the subject kisay dolo. Example adding in active. The police arrested him. Active voice. Passive voice to he was arrested. Then by the police to kisaitan also. As it to police ho to kimin pa nom lo. Na a subject to kimin pa nom lo. Tizi atu a subject hi kikui mga he was arrested. Kimangay. Na hit ho to agent if the meaning is clear without the agent dahile by the police umlawa a meaning a clear ahile by the police by the apana chu zat lo the avoid the na ai wanga chu na answer chu agent panglowa a clear loading ahile then you have to use the agent but to abanga chu he was arrested na he cleared to by the police as aulo banga he cho the banga chu agent he avoid bolde hi chi pe hit bang passive voice reporting pa hi newspaper report ho ake ha man hi tun I ha clear zep na ding win khat hung kin hite the people speak English all over the world all over the world the people speak all over the world then passive voice ha hin khialu dele English is spoken all over the world by the people to umtalozo na azi chu by the people lawazong hi clear hi za chu as in by the people to ke avoid hi ti lai sentence za hi chu hi in newspaper reporter hon hi chu ta bang rule hi amang hi hi tu ni hi ti lai kla hi tu ni hi tilaya chun ana chai taw hitin aban episode passive to active voice hi inim vat diu chu ipiphiam tia hi imperative sentence rules of who and whom aban competitive exam question hung ki dong ho passive to active voice ji chu tham kha solvable de wa hi tu ni in episode 1 active and passive voice hitan hin ana chai taw hite thank you for watching